Dubai replacing Canada as the new destination for international students? It sounds dramatic, but this question is being asked more and more, especially by Indian students. Canada has been one of the most popular study destinations for years, but recently, because of visa caps, policy changes and rising costs, many students are exploring alternatives. But one destination that keeps coming up in conversations is Dubai. But is Dubai really replacing Canada, or are students just diversifying their option? Many students are also concerned about the ongoing conflicts in the Middle East. However, be rest assured, universities in Dubai continue to operate and applications for the upcoming intakes are still being accepted. Some of the universities have temporarily shifted to online classes as a precaution and are likely to return to a full on-campus learning once conditions stabilize. So if Dubai is still a part of your study abroad plan, let me tell you, Indian students are still actively applying for their September intake through Shiksha Study Abroad. Quick note before we continue. If you're exploring countries like Canada or Dubai and want help choosing what fits your profile best, Shiksha Study Abroad is offering free counseling. The link is in the description. And if you're planning to study abroad, save this video as this comparison might help you making your final decision. Canada has introduced a number of changes in the past year. These include caps on study permits, stricter visa checks, and increased financial requirements for international students. At the same time, tuition fees and living costs have continued to rise. So naturally, students are looking for alternative destinations that may offer faster admissions or similar visa processing. And that's where places like Dubai are entering the conversation. But to understand whether Dubai can really compete with Canada, we need to consider several factors. Today, India is one of the largest sources of international students in the world. According to government data, over 18.8 lakh Indian students are currently studying abroad across 150 plus countries. First, the visa process. For many Indian students, the visa stage is one of the most stressful part of studying abroad. In Canada, students apply for a study permit, and the processing time can vary on demand and documentation. In recent years, there has also been more scrutiny around financial proof and college selection. In contrast, in the UAE, including Dubai, the student visa process is usually linked directly to the university admission. Once you receive an admission offer, the university typically helps sponsor the visa. Canada is still one of the biggest destinations for Indian students. Recent data shows about 4.27 lakh Indian students studying in Canada, making it one of the largest international student populations there. Next, cost of studying. In Canada, tuition fees for international students typically range from 18,000 to 35,000 Canadian dollars per year, depending on the program and the university. On top of that, students also need to budget for living costs, accommodation, food, transportation, and insurance. In Dubai, tuition fees vary widely depending on the university. This is because Dubai hosts branch campuses of international universities from the UK, Australia, and other countries. So, tuition can range anywhere from 40,000 dirham to 90,000 dirham per year. Another important factor that many Indian families consider is distance. Dubai is only 3 to 4 hours from India. That means lower travel cost and the ability for students to visit home more easily. Canada, on the other hand, is much farther away. The flights that can take 14 to 18 hours depending on the route. Now, let's talk about programs and careers. Canada is particularly strong in areas like engineering, IT, healthcare, and skill trades. Whereas Dubai's strengths are slightly different. The city is a major hub for industries such as business, hospitality, tourism, aviation, logistics, and international trade. Let's also discuss part-time work. In Canada, international students are allowed to work part-time during their studies. In Dubai, part-time opportunities exist as well, but the market works a bit differently. Networking, internships, and industry connections often play a bigger role. Now we come to the biggest difference between these two destinations. Canada offers the Post-Graduation Work Permit, commonly known as PGWP. This allows students to stay and work after completing their studies. And importantly, Canada also offers clear pathways to permanent residency to many international graduates. Dubai is different. Students can work in Dubai after graduation if they secure a job and employer-sponsored work visa. But the UAE does not have the same permanent residency pathway as Canada. So, if Canada still offers immigration pathways, why are some students looking at Dubai? Faster visa processing, closer distance to India, a growing international education hub, safe and multicultural environment with modern infrastructure. After graduation, students can stay through various visas. For example, employment visas and entrepreneur visas. So the real question isn't Dubai or Canada. The real question is, which country fits your goal better? If your priority is long-term immigration, Canada still has strong advantages. And if you want regional career exposure, shorter programs, and proximity to India, Dubai could be a good option. There you're unsure which country fits your profile, you can get a free counseling for Shiksha Study Abroad to help you evaluate your option. The link is in the description, or you can WhatsApp Hey on the number flashing on the screen.
Confused about studying abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8377 000 581 for 100% free guidance.